What's up, everybody? It's Morgan's Rider Tie-Dye here, doing a little work on the Metro. Not maintenance work, it's basically unconventional work. The key got locked in the seat, and in order to open the seat, you need the key. Turn it to the key position, then you push the key. Well, the key was in the seat, locked in there, so we had to disassemble the front here. And you don't necessarily have to pull all these wiring out, it's just a little easier access. Here's the cylinder, the back of it. This tube has the cable for the seat release mechanism. And then you lift up this plastic thing here, and then that little metal thing, all you gotta do is push that thing back a little bit. See if I can get my other hand up in here. Boom. You see that? That little thing, that little bit of metal moving, that's all it needs to release the seat. About 15 minutes of work, a few bolts, and like I said, I disassembled the wiring here to make it a little easier. But yeah, that's about it. All right, enjoy your day. Happy riding, everybody.